Jeff Locke. Thank you very much, Jeff. Well, we have some breaking news now. The U.S. Justice Department filing a lawsuit challenging the constitutionality of Arizona's controversial new immigration law.
Congressman Michael Burgess of Texas is on the Immigration Reform Caucus. He joins us now. The administration essentially saying that we can't have a piecemeal immigration approach. You can't have disparate, approaches spread across the 50 states, sir. But, why bring it to the level of a lawsuit, and why not enforce the laws that say, illegal aliens are breaking the law?
It's hard to fathom on this one. Senator McCain and Senator Kyle both called this action premature, since the Arizona law doesn't even go into effect till the latter part of this month. I agree with them. It just flies in the face of, since we won't do it at the federal level, the state is simply asking to help us and crafted a law that will help the federal government do its job. Why would we put obstacles in their place when they're simply trying to help us do the job that we should have been doing all along? Particularly
when they say they're concerned about the economy, what's happening with states that are going broke. One of the reasons they're going broke is that they can't afford the cost of illegal immigration, whereas one study that just came out today, $113 billion. $113 billion. That's how much illegal immigrants cost, particularly medical costs. You're a medical doctor. Explain that part of the picture.
Well, it does put an inordinate amount of stress upon our safety net hospitals, our emergency rooms. I know that's something that we struggle with here in Texas. I'm sure Arizona is no different in that regard. And of course, we have just expanded the federal reach of health care in a bill that was passed earlier this year. I voted against it, just for the record. But clearly, that's going to have an impact on these costs that are already too high. We have a problem with joblessness in this country for our citizens. Why not preserve those jobs for people who are in the country with as either citizens or with legal visas? There are things we have to be doing, we should be doing, and quite frankly, people look at the situation and simply do not understand why the federal government will not do its job. And then when Arizona steps up and says, we'll help you, we're here to be an adjunct to that, then they really don't understand why the federal government would react this harshly to the state of Arizona.
Congressman, many polls show Americans say secure the border first and then, address immigration reform next. You got to secure the borders. That's what Americans are saying. But this issue is already teed up in the courts. The ACLU has already brought a suit. What's the point of the Justice Department getting involved now? Is there a reason? I mean, why do it now?
I can think of no good reason, and I can think of 3 Democratic representatives from the state of Arizona who are probably going to have a much tougher time in November because of the actions of Eric Holder and Barack Obama.
Congressman Michael Burgess, Republican of Texas, thank you very much for being here. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Well, California has a big